temoides. The form of the verb plus moides. Okay? You may do. So, this is used to grant permission. Okay? You may, parang sa atin, pwede mong gawin. For example, this one, shashin, picture, no? Shashin o temoides. You may take pictures. Okay? So, ito yon. Yung torimas is kinonjugate, naging tote. Tapos, inad natin tong moides. Kaya, naging totemoides. So, this is also used to ask for permission. And then, the question form in this sentence is used. So, mag-add lang tayo ng ka sa dulo. Diba? Temoides, tapos lagyan mo lang ka para maging tanong. Pwede bang, pwede bang mag-negarilyo dito? Manigarilyo lang. Tabako, so temoides ka. So, ito pa rin.